Sekuphela iminyaka e12 loluhlelo luhlehliswa ngenxa yezizathu ezihlukene nokufaka phakathi umthetho, ipolitiki kanye nokunye.
There's been challenges including legal challenges from the broadcasters. There was also a time back in the day where there was confusion around the standards for the set-top boxes, which was more of a political, there were different stances from a political side.
Uhulumeni usuhlehlise usuku olungumnqamulajuqu wokuguqukela kulolu hlelo lokusakaza ukuze kunikezwe izakhamuzi ithuba lokufaka izicelo zokuthola amabhokisi e-DTT.
The free above 694 megahertz, I think those will be switched off by the 31st of July. And then there's going to be a period, obviously, of dual elimination. It's going to continue. So that dual elimination is going to continue where it's both analog and digital signals. It will continue until the 31st of December 2024.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana nezobuchwepheshe uMondli Gungubele uzonaba ngalolu daba ngoLwesithathu.